This is the BK Mueller 888-563 new style stem for the BK Mueller models with the red handle. Now, a couple really important things to notice about this stem is down here on the end, it will have the 3 threads here. And then coming down to the opposite end, you've got these 2 metal washers with that rubber packing in between them. And then this end will have that rubber kind of gasket there, and then that Phillips head screw. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the stem, starting with a total length. See, from end to end, it measures right at about almost 13 3/4 inches. Then we can also get a length of just this end piece here. And that'll measure right at about just below, if I can get it to sit still, so just below 2 inches. And we can also get an outer diameter of this rubber gasket on the top here, and that'll measure just below ½ an inch. And then coming down to this end, on this square end here, we'll get an outer diameter as well, and that'll measure right at 1/4 of an inch. And then we can also pull that packing off and get a measurement, get an outer and inner diameter of that packing. So outer diameter measures right at about 3/4 of an inch, and then the inner diameter measuring just above 1/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-563 stem assembly.